Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope all of you are well and safe, and I really pray to God for your wellness and for your safety. This is Rita, your political science teacher from Cambridge International School, Dasua, and today I am here to explain the answer key of September examination which you have done today positively. Yes, very beginning, link 1. What was Marshall Plan? Yes, it was established in 1948. That means Organization for European Economic Cooperation and to channel aid the West European states. What is the full form of ASEAN? Association of Southeast Asian Nations. You can also pronounce it ASEAN. Which one of the following is the right cause of globalization? That is technology. The Council of Europe established in 1949. Is it true? Yes. Which Prime Minister from Britain? America's partner, Iraq invasion. That was Tony Blair. Now complete the sentences. In ASEAN logo, the stars of paddy or rice represent the 10 Southeast Asian countries bound together in friendship and solidarity. Question number 7. The ASEAN Regional Forum was established in 1994. Which countries are included in South Asia? Bangladesh, Bhutan, India, Maldives, Nepal, Pakistan and Sri Lanka. Now correct and rewrite the statement. China is an important player and considered to be the part of region? No. China is not an important player. China is an important player and not considered to be the part of region. So Bangladesh was a part of Pakistan from 1947 to 1971. What was the result of Indo-Pak War? 1971. Surrender of Pakistani forces. Full form of SAARC, South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation. SAFTA, and what did he promise? A new chapter of peace and cooperation and free trade across the borders. Now identify the country centrally located and shared borders with most of the South Asian countries. That was India. A landlocked country with monarchy, Bhutan. How international organization can help? To cooperate, provide mechanism, rules and bureaucracy to help members have more confidence. When was UN established? 1945. How many permanent members are there in Security Council? 5. And non-permanent? 10. Is the statement true? Globalization has been uneven in its impact on states and societies. True. Now link 2. 4 principal organ of UN: Security Council, International Court of Justice, General Assembly, Secretariat, Economic and Social Council and Trusteeship Council. Here I have announced almost 6-7 organs, but you have to mention only 4 because the question was carrying 2 marks. Now components of ASEAN Vision 2020: an outward looking role in international community, encourage negotiation over conflicts in Thai region, to mediate to end the conflict. That is combination of conflicts, you can say. Now role of SAARC: to evolve cooperation since 1985, consists of 7 members to encourage mutual harmony. SAFTA initiated. SAARC has projected on economic development. Now link 3, solution. BRICS. Yes, very very important. Introduction. After introduction, you have to explain how it is supranational. Yes, BRICS, here you can say the words export on the significantly from the years of 1996 to 2008, from 90%, 9% to 17%. Even World Bank also initiated. It marked a departure from the practices and producers to the West and dominated International Monetary Fund or World Bank. Museums from BRICS nations, consensus on a 5-year cooperation structure. In conclusion, you can say BRICS is a full of diversity in terms of culture, politics, economics and whatnot. China and Russia are the autocratic states while other 3 are vibrant democracies. Now what makes Russia a powerful country? Yes, Russia is a powerful country and maybe this will be supranational organization. Now as economic power, 5th largest national economy in Europe, 11th largest nominal GDP in the world, 6th largest by purchasing power parity. World Bank even estimates the total value of Russia's natural resources $75 trillion on US dollars. Now it is considered energy superpower, largest proven natural gas reserves, oil and natural gas abundance, and precious metals. Now military power, largest military forces in Europe, sixth largest nation in the terms of military. Even it spent a billion norms on, and number of dollars you can say, and it stands at taking third place. Now Russia possesses 6,500 nuclear weapons. Russia is a political and diplomatic power, UN Security Council, and this is called PEF, Organization of Security and Cooperation of Europe, and BRICS, no doubt. Now what makes Israel a supranational? ये कैसे हो सकता है? Alternative center of power. Yes, Israel economy is much stronger than any other country. You can say 23.2% of all exports, $6.5 billion approximately in annual arms sales. Now what makes India? Yes, India is the fifth largest. So we can say that alternative center of power, and maybe there are number of chances that in future India becomes the supranational organization in the world, because this is world's fifth largest economy by nominal GDP. 10 largest trading partners, foreign direct investment, agriculture production, IT services, steel communication industries, 10th largest oil producers, third largest oil consumer. Now solution link 4. Yes, we have given you comprehension like passage based question, globalization chapter, and first answer was, you can also consider the below 3, because exactly answer will be below 3, but otherwise if you have done ABC first one options, then it will also be considered. But the perfect answer according to me, that is the globalization is a multi-dimensional concept. It has political, economic and cultural aspects. Question number 2, movement of capital from one place to another place. Question number 3, commodities being traded across borders. You have to explain only 2 points. So the integration of USSR has been spreading globalization around the world. Now question number 29. Yes, this was also the passage based question. Yes, first answer was the composition of Security Council has been static for years. Question number 2, it has affected the representative character of Security Council. Question number 3, the present strength of General Assembly is 193 members today. Another part was India's argument. Number 1, it will become more representative in character. Number 2, it will get sufficient support on the international stages. So you also have to mention only 2 relevant points, or any other relevant point will be considered. Now cartoon based question. This is coincident that the same question we have discussed in yesterday's live class. Yes, you are watching in your cartoon 2 biggest and important things from China, that is Great Wall of China and the dragon, and one small man is there stopping dragon to be increased, but the dragon and the Great Wall is not stopping, and this dragon and the Great Wall trying to control the all globe. The small man is US. So I have explained all 3 answers. Even it is engine of the East Asian growth, thereby giving it enormous influence in the regional affairs. Now map based question. I have shown you 6 points, but you have to do only and only 5, because the question carries 5 marks. Egypt, third world. Australia, first world. Turkey, first world. Brazil, third world. Poland, second world. And Myanmar, which is called Burma, third world. Now link 5 solution. What was SAARC? Basically its meaning is South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation for Mutual Trust and Understanding. What is the role of SAARC? Regional initiative, 7 members to encourage mutual harmony. It has initiated SAFTA, means free trade zones, projected on economic development. Even SAARC members are India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Maldives, Nepal and Bhutan. Question number 33. Japan. Yes, though it has very few natural resources and imports most of its raw materials, even then it is progressed rapidly after the Second World War. Japan as a political and diplomatic power. Yes, United Nations member state and North Korea, diplomatic relation of Russia, and the all world is now looking upon Russia. Japan as military power. security alliance with US, United States of America since 1951. 1% of its GDP spent military expenditure. Self-defense forces. Even you can also say it is the world's 8th largest military budget. Question number 24, the last one. The role of state in developing countries in light of globalization. Yes, it reduces the state capacity, market becomes time concern, multinational companies' effect on decision taken. The old welfare state is now giving way to more minimalist state to perform certain core functions. State also withdrawal from many of its welfare functions. To some extent, developing countries have received a boost as a result of globalization and became more strong and the powerful clue to the emergence of new technology. I hope your all answers must be good and correct, and definitely you will pass with flying colors. Thank you very much. All the best.